Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In this video I'm going to learn how to do data cleaning using the replace function in Excel. So basically we are going to work on this dataset, which is global freelancers dataset, and we are going to use it in order to create our dashboard in Power BI, Tableau and Excel in the next tutorials. So as you can see in the description, this dataset contains 1000 fictional freelance profiles from around the world, and we have many columns. As you can see, we have here the freelancer ID, we have the name of each freelancer, the gender, the age, the country, the language, so language spoken, primary skill like AI, machine learning, data analysis, etc. We have years of experience, the hourly rate in US dollars, the rating, and if the freelancer is active or not, and we have the client satisfaction. So basically what we are going to do is that we are going to download this data, so you can find this link in the description, and we are going to open our CSV file in Excel to do the data cleaning. So here we have our file. The first thing that we are going to do is that we select everything, insert, table, OK. Select everything, home, format row height, to put it 20. Same thing in here. So put it white, right? The color names black. All right. And we put all the borders in black. Okay. So we start with gender. So you can see we have here F for female, M for male. So we're going to replace F with female and M with male uppercase, and same thing for male lowercase. We are going to replace it with male uppercase. Okay. So we select our column, home, find and select. So here if we put only F and we put it as female, replace all, as you can see, all the cells where we can find F, it will put it as female. Okay, but we don't want to do that, so press Ctrl Z, right? And we go to options, match entire cell contents. So if we select that, replace all, to replace only where the whole cell equals to F. And we do the same thing for M, put male, replace all, right? And same thing where we have male lowercase, it will become male uppercase, and same thing for female. Replace all. Okay, so here we have only male and female, and we can do the same thing for the hourly rate. So basically here we want to remove USD, right? So if you put replace USD with empty space, when we click on replace all, we don't have anything to replace because we don't have only USD in the cell. So we click one more time on match entire cell contents because we want only to replace USD in the cell. Replace all. So as you can see, we removed all the USD from the cells. Now since it is currency, we are going to put it as currency, right, in US dollars with no decimal numbers. Same thing if we want to remove the blanks, for example from age, we select blanks, okay, and we're going to remove all the rows, so delete row, right? Next, here we have the 0, 1, and etc. So we want only yes or no. So if it is 0 and no, false, it will become no uppercase. If it is 1, y, yes, true, it will become yes uppercase. Okay, same thing, we select our column, home, so go to replace, and we select it one more time, match entire cell contents, right? So we start by n, we put it as no, then we have 0, it becomes no, we have also false, next we have 1 to become yes, right, true becomes yes, we have also y, right, same thing, the yes lowercase, and we have now only yes or no or blanks. Same thing, if you want to remove the blanks, select blanks, right click, delete row. Okay, so here we have our data set where we cleaned the gender column, the age, we remove the blanks, the hourly rate, we put it in US dollars, the active freelancers, we put them yes or no, and same thing for hourly rate if you want to remove the blanks. All right, so here we have our data set which is clean. Same thing, we can also remove the blanks from year of experience, for example. We can remove them from the rating or client satisfaction. So this is up to you if you want to remove them or no. But now we have our data set which is clean and ready to be used to create the dashboards. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.